Dive into take a nap. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, take a nap. It's a common expression in the English language, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. Let's get started. Take a nap is made of three words. Take, in this context, it means to undergo or carry out a specific action. An indefinite article which means 1. Nap, a short sleep, especially during the day. When combined, take a nap essentially means to have a short sleep or rest, especially during daytime hours. It's like a mini version of your nightly sleep. People use take a nap when they are feeling tired and need a brief rest to recharge. Here are some example sentences. I'm feeling exhausted, so I'm going to take a nap. After lunch, it's common for some people to take a nap. She took a nap before the evening party to feel refreshed. In many cultures around the world, taking a nap, especially after lunch, is a tradition. For example, in some parts of Spain, there's a tradition called the siesta, where people take a break from work in the afternoon to rest or take a nap. Recognizing these cultural practices can help in understanding the importance and acceptance of napping in various societies. So there you have it. The phrase, take a nap, means to have a brief, refreshing sleep, usually during the day. It's a way to recharge and is practiced by people globally. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Remember, the next time you feel a bit tired during the day, it might just be the perfect time to take a nap. Rest well and keep learning.